If you have just eggs and bread at home, stop scrolling right now, because today I'm going to show you an incredibly crispy, cheesy, and satisfying breakfast that you can make in minutes. It looks simple, but the taste is absolutely next level. And trust me, once you try this, you'll never throw away bread edges again. Before we start, comment your city below. I always love seeing where everyone is watching from. And I'll be giving some special shout-outs at the end. First, take 3 slices of bread. Now carefully cut off the edges from all sides. Try to keep your cuts clean and even, because this small step actually makes a big difference in how your final sandwich looks and cooks. And here's a smart tip. Don't throw these edges away. A lot of people waste them. But today we're going to turn them into something crispy and delicious later. So keep them aside. Now take a small bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Eggs are one of the most powerful breakfast ingredients. They are full of protein, help build strength, and keep you feeling full for a long time, so you don't get hungry again quickly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then add a mixed spice blend. You can use red chili, black pepper, or even a little garlic powder if you like. Now whisk everything really well. You want it slightly fluffy and fully combined. Next, add a spoonful of milk. This makes the mixture soft and creamy and helps the bread absorb everything evenly. It also gives a very nice texture after cooking, crispy outside and soft inside. Mix it again until everything is perfectly blended. Now take 1 slice of bread and place it on a plate. Slowly pour the egg mixture over it, letting it soak in properly. Flip it and coat the other side as well. Make sure every corner is covered. This is the secret to getting flavor in every bite. Now place a cheese slice on top. As it melts later, it will give you that rich, stretchy texture everyone loves. Add another bread slice and repeat the same process. Coat it again with the mixture. Then place the 3rd slice and once again apply the mixture on all sides, including the edges. At this point, you should have a thick, well-soaked sandwich that is packed with flavor from inside out. Now take a frying pan and place it on low heat. This is very important. Low heat ensures that everything cooks evenly without burning. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt slowly. Butter gives a beautiful aroma and helps create that golden, crispy crust on the outside. Now carefully place your sandwich into the pan. Don't rush this step. Let it cook slowly so the inside sets properly. Use 2 spatulas and gently press from the sides to keep the shape firm. This also helps everything stick together nicely. Place it flat in the pan again. Now sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Then crack 1 egg directly on top of the sandwich. Try to keep the yolk intact. It looks beautiful and tastes even better. Now, after a few minutes, carefully remove the lid and take the sandwich out onto a plate. Just look at that. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy inside, melted cheese, and a perfectly cooked egg on top. This is not just breakfast. This is something you'll actually crave again and again. Now cut it slowly. Now let's move to the best part. Those bread edges we saved earlier. Take another bowl. Add 1 egg, a little milk, salt, and the same spice mix. If you already have leftover mixture from before, you can use that too. Nothing should go to waste. Mix everything well until smooth. Now add all the bread edges into this mixture and coat them nicely. Make sure every piece absorbs the mixture properly. This is a smart kitchen trick. Instead of wasting food, you turn it into something completely new and tasty. Now sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese on top and place these pieces in an oven at around 130 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. After a few minutes, you'll have crispy, cheesy mini bites ready. Take them out and show them properly. These are crunchy, flavorful, and perfect as a snack or even a quick side with tea. So now you have 2 amazing recipes from the same ingredients. 1 main sandwich and 1 bonus snack. Simple, smart, and super delicious. Now tell me honestly, how many points out of 10 would you give this recipe? And don't forget to comment your city. I'm giving special shout-outs. Shout out to Emily from New York, Sophia from California, and Jake from Texas. If you comment next, maybe your name will be here in the next video. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.